Hi friends, my name is Marina Shepelsky. I'm an immigration attorney and the founder of Shepelsky Law Group. Today I'm filming in Miami in my vacation apartment. Today I wanted to talk to you about the difference between a green card status or lawful permanent residence and becoming a US citizen. So what's the difference between a green card and a US passport status? It seems like a basic question, but people have so many concerns and questions about this, and I want to talk about all this in my video today based on my personal experience as an immigration attorney for 20 plus years and based on the collective experience of all the lawyers in our group. And we all share, of course, our experience and our knowledge, and we'll bring it to you whether you live in Kentucky or New York or New Jersey. So let's get right into it. First of all, what is lawful permanent residence? A green card status means that you're allowed by the United States government to live here permanently in United States. You're a resident. You can file taxes here and you can stay here as long as you want. It's usually a card, the green card, for 10 years, but the status is permanent. It's forever. You just have to renew it every 10 years for the government to, screen you for arrests, for terrorism issues and all that stuff. But the status itself is permanent, and the only way you can lose it is to have an immigration judge take it away from you, or if you leave for a long time and don't come back, and then automatically you will lose it by being absent from the United States for too long. There's several ways to get it: asylum, marriage to a green card holder, through work, through a U visa, through VAWA if you're abused in a marriage to a US citizen, and many more ways. A US citizenship status or naturalization means you're a citizen of the United States. You're part of our society and the government. You can vote to elect the next president. You can travel with that blue American passport. The countries that require you to have visas, maybe in the country where you were born, if you have a US passport, you no longer need those visas. Like, for example, many European countries, because the United States has all kinds of visa waiver and exchanges of visa laws with those countries. So you get to travel with the American passport. You get to have the US government behind you in difficult situations, and also if you're making money in the United States, if you're a US citizen, you have to pay taxes here. So the basic difference, if I had to explain it in 2 sentences, would be that if you have a green card, you theoretically can still lose that status. If you leave for a long time, if you commit a serious crime, if you do something that's really bad moral character, if you help somebody cross the border illegally, if you're just a green card holder, you can lose that status. It's not something that you can't ever lose. If you truthfully become a US citizen, you didn't lie about anything, you were honest and everything was fine, you can never lose that status. Naturalization is very, very difficult to lose. The only times that people have lost US naturalization is when the government discovered they lied about who they were to get that US citizenship. They lied about how they came here and who they were, and like very basic things. Once you become a citizen, there's no backstays, really. And of course, there's a process for denaturalization, and I will talk about it in a separate video. But generally speaking, you can't lose US citizenship. And what green card holders are not allowed to do is to vote, for example. Green card holders cannot put in writing or claim on any forms or applications that they're already a US citizen, because being a US citizen is one step up. So when people say to me, can you help me become a US citizen attorney? I always tell them, the first thing I need to do is help you become a lawful permanent resident, a green card holder. Once you're a green card holder, depending on how you got that green card, you have to wait for 3 years or 5 years, and then you become naturalized. Then you can apply to be naturalized. Of course, there's another way to get US citizenship. If your parent became a citizen and you had a green card and you were under 18, so that's automatic citizenship, and you get it in a certain different type of way by a different form called N600. The bottom line is this: a green card is a lesser status. You can lose a green card by being arrested and convicted of something serious, traveling outside of the United States for too long, then you'll automatically lose your status, and bad moral character acts. There's a bunch of things you can do. Also, when you go for that citizenship interview, if you don't pass and something really bad is discovered in your background, they could still get you deported if you just have a green card. Once you become a US citizen, you're safe. I hope this video explains the very basic thing about US immigration laws, the things that we work in our office every day. If you have a case like this, give us a call. Become a subscriber to our channel. Give us a like if you like this video. And send us your questions and comments in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer them. And if you need a consultation, give us a call. Our attorneys are waiting to help you, to consult with you, and help you no matter where you live in the United States. Have a good day. Bye-bye.